FXBros.
I done got that cold. The market is open. What up, people? I don't know why y'all doing that bullshit, man. But anyway, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're looking for the S&P to hit 7,000 this week. You is pushing up again. I gotta do the whole change the weekly parameters around this bitch. Let's see. I have to restart this bitch. But yes, we do have Australian dollar looking like it's trying to break out without filling in the gap whatsoever. So if we look at the sessions, London didn't sweep anything, which is crazy. That's kind of crazy. If you look here, the green lines are between each other is London. We have Asian session. London sits right in the Asian session. That's kind of weird. That is kind of weird. See if I'm just pushing higher. Yeah, we're going to take a look at UJ right quick. Okay, London did sweep UJ lows. Never could break below that wick that swept it. And now we back up. We did get a bullish engulfing on a 1 hour and it swept lows. I do like that move, but it all depends on if we see more continuation up from here. Like, is it going to be a strong support? We would have to probably be patient enough to wait to buy at 53.30. And it pretty much is at 53.30. Let's see what the low is. 53.304. So we might be picking up some buys there. have to either take that risk and buy right there, or allow it to settle and wait for some candle closures bullish from that point, similar to what it did here. I mean, somebody could have bought here. I mean, it did sweep a little bit, but you would have been up. What that was pre-New York, I guess you could say. Yeah. Too soon to tell. I mean, I had sell orders sitting up here at 155.5, I think. Yeah. So overall, I'm trying to hop in more sales. The S&P. S&P is running up. Question is, when it get to 7K? I think it can this week. Right opportunity, I think it can in a couple of days. So it depends on the stock market. Seeing crypto get a nice push. Did GJ ever get his entry? No. Yeah, 210.4, there was 210.7. Start a trade back up. It would have been nice if we'd have had a bullish engulfing. Even though we did pretty much engulf over the 50% line of this previous candle, but that would have been nice. Let's see. Bitcoin is up a point and a percent and a half. Still trying to seize them into those low 90s. Get some closes, some bullish closes in there so we can push higher. So we're waiting on that. Same thing as ETH. ETH don't look just like Bitcoin. Ripple. Similarities to ETH and Bitcoin too. Ripple partners with Riyadh Bank's GIL to explore blockchain in Saudi Arabia. That's crazy because I saw a post from one of my partners about Saudi Arabia's opening up their stock market soon. We got to ask ChatGPT about that. We got to ask ChatGPT about that. Hold on 1 second. Need to get my coffee started. is it? What's that? XRP. Hold on 1 second. I'm about to make me some coffee here. Hold on. Damn. I'm getting notifications from Robinhood. What's going on? Yeah, you know. What's down, bro? Nah, facts. Walmart did pop up a little bit. Let me see. Let's see what they talking about. Oh, we spiked up like 3%. ET is up. Nice. I did. I saw. I was like, oh, that bitch dropping some more. But yeah, yeah, nah, for real, nah, for real. Gotta give it. Yeah, I could tell by the size of the candles that get printed. Like, will we are we reaching for like continuation? Or are we like coming back to pull back? And how many candles too? Because sometimes when it's in a trend, it don't take that many candles for it to get to the next level it's trying to get to versus when it's trying to stop a trend or it's trying to turn around per se, like it's trying to do a reversal, like it's been going bullish. It'll have a whole lot of consolidation, a lot of small candles. It'll take 2 weeks for it to get to a certain level, then turn around and do it, like kind of like how I did here. Like we was reversing. You got all these little baby ass candles, then you get a big ass bearish candle. Then you get some more little baby ass bullish candle. You get a big ass bearish candle. Like that'd be letting me know, like, okay, yeah, this is like reversal time. When them baby ass candles come, especially when they bullish.
You're talking about baby bullish candles and then that big
Yeah,
ass
yeah,
sell
and then it's
candle.
big ass. Yeah, that's like a reverse. It's like it's setting up for like I knew from the baby bullish ass candles that was getting printed, like why it takes so
hmm
long to get up here. Like, okay, it's probably
hmm
setting up to reverse. So
Yeah,
the market will give it signs. The nigga just don't want to read them sometimes.
man. Like me with gold last night, bro. So you know me, right? Like you know me with this calling to the number. The why I call I don't know if you remember last night. I called gold at 110.
110.
I don't know if you remember that last night when I
So you
said that
caught
shit last
silver to
night.
110.
No, gold. I don't even fuck with silver like that. I
What
can't
you
tell you
mean
what
110?
silver. No, no,
Oh,
it went
5,100. Okay, okay, okay,
5,110.
okay.
Yeah, 5,110. I called that exact number, bro. That bitch went to that exact number and fucking pulled back so strong. When I say I know gold like the fucking back of my hand, bro, like
Yeah, that
gold
bitch
moves
dead.
exactly how I expect it to move every single time, bro.
Nah,
It's
you
fucking
been fucking with
insane.
that hoe for so long. That's why
Like,
you kind of got
like,
like another sense for that bitch. Like,
well, no, I just know the numbers, you know? Like, on average, like, niggas might have an ATR in their head, but I
yeah,
know the ATR. Like, I know. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah,
this bitch do, at max, 120 points a day, period. If it do more than that, damn. Like, that's a hell of a bully day. Expect some pullback tomorrow.
right, 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 right.
You know, it did more than the average. It's only gonna move at least 120 a day. Even if it move 120, expect like $40 pullback the next day type
And that's
shit.
the best thing to do, to know what's gonna happen, because you could tell when something look odd. You hear me?
Yeah,
Like you see 2 days of 150 points. Like you be like, okay, hold up.
yeah, you
I
know
know we
that
about
that
to get
shit
a
done.
fire ass pullback.
Right, right.
Especially if we
But
at the highs too doing that. Like we ain't coming from the lows. Like, oh yeah, we about to pull back for sure.
but of course, my goofy ass ain't taking no advantage. Cause
I
look, I'm
mean,
knowing everything
what you
that's
was
about to
trying to do?
happen, but I'm
Sell that shit?
to get out of my call that I had got in. The bitch came all
Oh,
the way back to damn. It came to my entry like overnight, and then just now at 7 o'clock, it came damn near back to my entry, bro. I could have just got back in. Like took 300. I was up 300 last night. I could have took that 300, got back in this morning when it was just up above like 50 points above my level, like as far as $50.
yeah.
And then boom, got back in, ride that bitch right back
Nah,
to the
you
top,
ain't
catch
muted.
another 200.
You gotta unmute and mute yourself when you hop on. Like automatically, it got you unmuted.
Who?
That boy Scully hopped on laughing and shit. I don't know what the fuck he doing. That nigga must have hit 30 bands to this.
Girl, ow. The boy lit.
Hey, y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop with these allegations, man.
Damn, you just. Damn.
I just
But
read
yeah.
a lot of books and they say the most quietest person in the room is the richest person in the room.
Man. Hey, we know what it is, fool. Excuse me.
Let me stop playing for niggas. Stop niggas be looking for that truck.
Big fast. I'm about to wrap this bitch. Fuck that.
I know this nigga drive a Range Rover. Nah.
I'm your dog. Oh man.
Oh man. But
But
yeah. Um I'm trying something out
damn,
too on the titles of the video. I'm starting to
son,
work with AI on the images and the titles. I'll see if we
son.
attract some more viewers. What's that?
Walmart about to piss me off,
Uh,
son.
what it's doing? I know they back
What
at
it
117, huh?
is, what it didn't do,
Oh, that bitch is back at 117.
son.
Damn, that bitch.
Son, be for real, son. Come on now. Like we can't get no bullish move action on this bitch.
9 in the morning.
This is fucking crazy, bro.
All I'm
This
gonna
bitch better
swear,
push up.
that bitch
This
look
bitch
just like
keep
Tuesday.
doing dumb shit.
Look at the candle on Tuesday at 9 a.m. January 20th, Tuesday. Same situation. Wake up,
Right, and
came
then
back
what it
down.
did, came all the way to 116. One fucking come down. That bitch is coming to 115 the way that bitch looking. Stupid ass shit, dog. And I knew the way it was taking so long to really give energy. Like I knew that bitch was gonna pull back, bro. I knew that bitch was about to pull back. That bitch, it just was shooting off too fast. Like I told you, when them bitches shoot off too fast, bro.
Yeah,
Like
that'd
stop
be the
doing
thing.
that shit.
That'd be the thing that'd be letting me know, like, especially if there's no continuation behind it, and it's doing it at the high. Like, look at the candle on Friday, the close of Friday on the 16th at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Like that candle pushed so hard bullish, but nothing else followed it in that same fashion. And the fact that it didn't do that from a low is doing that at the high of the market, 117 or 120.
Well, that's kind
That's
of a low. 117 is a low.
It came from a low, but it
It's a
pushed all the way up to
support.
120. Like it did $3 in 1 hour. Like that's
Oh, you
rare.
talking about then? Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
right then and
damn! I
there.
ain't even see it went from
And
way
then it
down.
didn't continue after that. Like look at the hourly candles after that. Like them bitches couldn't even break the high.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like it be shit like that that just be let me know like and then even the gap up on
Mm-hmm.
a 12th, Monday and a
Mm-hmm.
12th. Like that big ass gap up that it did, like we back
Yeah.
at them prices.
Back
Like
at the what?
we back at them prices. Like at the high of that candle on Monday when it gapped up, we're back at that price. 117, like the highs on 117. 117.8. So it's like that. I'm just saying, like that's just all signs of consolidation, nigga. We are back at the high of January 12th, and we are on the 26th. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a whole 2 weeks, and we ain't went nowhere. So what am I really trying to do?
Personally, I think this just a pullback, but it just pissed me off. but
It's
but
yeah,
it can do whatever. I just do think it still got to go at least to 120.
I
As the retest
I believe
120.
you, bro. I think it's just a pullback. I
yeah.
mean, granted, I'm on that side with you. You know, I'm in that bitch as well, but I just think it's a pullback, bro. To be straight. In the long term, though, not short term.
Shit, in the short and long term, this bitch better not go to 116.
Yeah, I was just about to ask the question. How would it feel? How would y'all feel if it went to
Boy, I'd be in the
114.5?
negative, boy. I should have closed out one of them damn positions when I was just
I
up
feel
1850
betrayed.
and positive.
You feel
Nah, for real.
betrayed?
It's crazy.
Are you willing
I,
to
be-
hold it for that? Or
I,
are
be-
you
I, be-
willing to take the L now and get back in with
You
Fuck
got to
no.
take the L now. Like for me, yeah, if I'm like over 50% down on the play, yeah, I'm getting up out of there and I can always get back in that bitch. Simple as that.
If anything, I should have took out positive on this on my one of them contracts. I just didn't expect that bitch to drop so much so fast, bro.
Is 50% a good percentage to get out though? That seems kind of extreme.
Yeah, facts about 20%, but maybe.
For me,
Yeah,
for me,
like
yeah, 50%, bro. I'm gonna be real.
50% on the play. Yeah,
I be feeling like fuck if it's that much, I might as well just wait it out. That's why I got it to a date type shit.
yeah. When y'all should expire as far as like theta decay? Like y'all got
Nah,
like
facts.
this
The
week?
nigga shit do expire next week.
Next week? Oh, okay. Yeah, they ain't really got no crazy news, but that bitch is kind of selling out. But I ain't gonna lie, I feel y'all niggas. I would be hot right now.
Yeah, nigga did get in at this high though, knowing that like it's showing rejections to the high side. You know, even though this was a lot of support at 117, it's just don't seem like it's enough, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
based
a
on
lot more
recent
definitely
structure
enough
though,
for this shit though.
116 is really the support. I don't know where they get this 117 at. I mean, it's there. I see it, but it ain't built off of no recent, structure. The recent structure would have been like around 116.
Yeah, hey, you and UJ. Well, hey, you busting. Fuck UJ.
Let me see.
Hey, you going crazy. This bitch almost
Damn.
stopped, boy. That's the
Son
one.
of a bitch,
Fuck
boy.
everything else. I got a UJ, but I should have got an AU.
I gotta
Running
leave
it.
my parameters.
Running it.
Damn, boy, that's 66.667
That bitch
buy.
That was
bust
the
through
entry,
24
son.
highs, man. We up there.
That was the entry, bro.
We
I should have
up
had
there,
some.
boy.
I'm steadily telling y'all about it, which I need to start taking that shit when I see it.
But you see how that entry is bouncing off the previous structure in December, like the high of December last year. You see how those bounces is bouncing off that structure versus
Let me
what
see.
Walmart is doing. Like that 117 is sitting above the previous structure, like slightly. I mean, I know it ain't got to be to the T. It don't have to, but it just looks much cleaner when it actually comes back down to like real structure.
Wait, what you saying?
Like on the 4 hour, if you look at the
Mm-hmm.
highs of December 2024, I mean
Mm-hmm.
2025. Well, I mean not even the highs of December. This, if you're looking at my chart, the highs that was created on the 11th of
Yeah, I
December,
see it.
and then you see how we created that support right at that high. Look at
Right
that
there.
type shit.
Right
Like
there.
if I would want Walmart to build support right there, like at 116 instead of 117. It don't have to. I realize that, but that to me would have been cleaner structure to build. So it's
Mm-hmm.
kind of making me think like maybe it want to wick down to 117 or 116 and then
Mm-hmm.
continue back bullish. I don't know. Because I
Yeah,
mean, one thing, there's a lot of liquidity right there. So if it want to sweep and take out stops, it could definitely hit 117. I mean 116.
I think it's gonna do it. Though. The way this bitch looking, I'ma say, based off of that pullback just now, that is crazy, bro. Like, damn.
Yeah.
That shit happened too fast, bro. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. This bitch done turned all the way around.
Look at the dollar.
That shit be doing that shit just to scare people out their positions, though. That's why I'm holding that bitch. I don't
Yeah.
care, bro. That bitch could go to 115.
I'm
Bitch, I
glad
wouldn't
you
give a
see that.
fuck. I'd
I'm
get
glad
another
you see it.
position.
No, big facts. That's
Fuck that,
exactly what
bro.
they
I
want
use
a
my
nigga to say.
last money to get another position, bro. Fuck that. Fuck this shit. I'm not about to play with them. I don't have time.
I'm
Like,
glad they
I know how they run, bro. I've been doing this shit way too long. To be playing with these bitches. Fuck that. I need my money. Stop playing with me.
Well, the last time we breached 97 was July and September last year. And we just did it again on the dollar. So we're about to see if this gonna be the breaking point.
What, in September 25? Around September.
Yep,
Yeah.
September and July last year. That's the
Yeah, this
last
shit
time we
tanking,
broke
bro.
the dollar.
This shit going to 90, 95, bro. At this point, 95.5.
Dollar down to over 4 month lows. No shit. Same thing.
But it's going crazy, bro. GJ, UJ, AU, Waldeezy. Come on, Waldeezy. Don't make me go shoot the club up.
Durable goods orders.
Niggas say the Sam's Club.
Them bitches up.
Who that?
The news that came out this morning, US dollar news, durable goods orders month over month, excluding events and excluding transportation, is all up. Not 100% sure what that means for. Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, everything he's saying, bitch. Um, got some good news on durable goods, so I guess the orders are going up. I don't know if they got some big tariffs or not.
I can't
Probably
do
not.
that.
Probably not for the most part. Yeah, the dollar is dropping. On the daily, we had a gap down today, which is crazy. That's crazy for the dollar. And it's not, this is not that crazy. It is not that.
Even under this trap said buy gold up. You heard me? Trap from Wall Street.
Yeah.
They say buy gold at this not he talking about it. You know it's time. Like that bitch about to everybody peeping game. Nah, this bitch at 5,000 niggas eyes is open. You heard me?
Nah, for real. How long did gold stay at 4,000?
Not that long.
Shit, when you really think about it, bro. I mean, you right, not that long.
Nothing did. Fuck, it was at 1,800. How long ago? Like a year or two ago?
It broke. It hit $4,000 for the first time October 8th last year. And we just now leaving 4,000.
4 months ago?
We just now leaving 4,000 yesterday. I mean, Friday. So
4
we've
months
been
ago?
October 8th was the first time it hit 4,000. It left 3,900, went to 4,000. And we've been in the 4,000 range
3 months
since.
ago.
Yeah.
Like 3.5 fucking months ago.
Really? Nah, 4.5.
November, December, January, right? You said October, November, December, January.
Right.
Like,
Right.
damn near 4 months.
Yeah, damn near 4 months.
About to be 4 months coming up. But shit, it's only there for 3 months and some change.
And then the 3,000s, we was in that bitch, I want to say for a good minute. Let me see. I maybe not. We broke the 3,000 around March. And we was in that bitch to October. It was March, the end of March. Yeah, towards the end of March. April, May, June. So that was 5 months. So 5 months for 3,000, 3 months for 4,000. Nigga, we about to hit 6,000 by Mardi Gras. Nigga, I'm calling it. Exactly. It's just going faster and faster.
More retailers are getting it, more volume getting it.
Nah, for
like,
real.
Niggas not missing the Bitcoin wave this time.
I don't think nobody want to miss no wave this time. Like, I think all waves are trying to be made.
When I said the new Bitcoin wave, this the new wave. You hear me? This the next thing going to 100K. Fuck.
Boy, gold? Boy, if gold go to 100K, I don't know. Like, I really don't know. Like, I don't know about money supply, like value. I just don't even know. I'm just gonna start saying shit costs this much. Bitch, I'm gonna wear my shoes. Oh yeah, these shoes, this $20,000. These shoes. I'm just gonna say shit like the hat I got on, bitch, it's a $30,000 hat, bitch. Who go deny me? Bitch, go $100,000, bitch. Everything, just nigga, just create your own market. That's at this point, that's what them niggas doing. Just create the whole market. Whatever you want it to be.
That's why I said this shit more stable than Bitcoin, bro. Like that's the only reason I was saying it should actually do those numbers. Like ain't no way, bro. That shit actually has a backing. Every country want a piece of gold right now. Everybody want their hand.
All right, I'll tell you this. And I had saw a post, one of my partners on Facebook, he was just writing it in text. It wasn't that crazy. I gotta look into it though. But they was talking about I want to say this month or next month, or like a couple of weeks, Saudi Arabia is supposed to open up their stock market to like global investors. If I'm not mistaken, I think I heard that right. So I got to do some checking on that. And then I checked. If you want to look right here, I clicked on Ripple because I was like, damn, Ripple up almost 5%. Go to the news. Ripple partners with Riyadh Banks GL, whatever, to explore blockchain in Saudi Arabia. So they about to start using the XRP ledger to transfer their money and settle all their payments in Saudi Arabia.
Nice.
So if I feel you, gold is probably more reliable and more of a standard practice of safer investments. But that blockchain, if not the cryptocurrency itself, that blockchain that's what everybody really wants.
Yeah.
That's what everybody really wants. They want to move to that like tokenization. That word is gonna be key this year. Tokenization of all assets. From the food we buy to the rent we pay to the cars we own. Like they gonna try to tokenize all this shit. I really don't know what that 100% looks like. Like, and are those tokens tradable type shit? So yeah, it's about to be crazy. It might be another injection for the NFT space because I know that's kind of where they was coming from. Like you could just fucking NFT everything and trade that shit. So I don't know.
Yeah, well, let me see. Trying to see the price. 190. That bitch trying to push too. They're trying to push from that little news. It did hit the hit the lows again, the 180 area. Trying to push up from there. Yeah, it's at a fair value gap and shit. That bitch is at a spot where it should get some bullish momentum.
Let's see.
Like this bitch should start busting from here. If this week close good. Oh yeah. This week closed above $2.06.
Saudi Arabia.
This bitch closed about $2.06. It's lit.
Stock market. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Hold on 1 second.
FATU busting. Come on, Walt Easy. There we go. I told you that had to be a pullback, bro. Ain't no way. That bitch was just blind me. Yeah, I just gotta leave the markets alone for the most part and let them play out. Probably come back around 12. The best thing for me to do is just stay out the way. Mm-hmm. It's the time for the show. It's the time, John, the morning show. It's the time, join the morning show.
Yeah. A nigga back in this bitch.
It's the time, join the morning show.
Yeah. All right, so I asked ChatGPT, does Saudi Arabia plan to open their stock market to all investors soon? They said yes. Saudi Arabia is moving ahead with major plans to open its stock market to all investors, particularly foreign investors, and the changes are about to take effect very soon, early 2026. Okay, that was a basic answer. Saudi Arabia Capital Market Authority (CMA) has announced regulatory reforms that open the country's stock market, known as Tadawal. I know I'm butchering that. Tadwal to all categories of foreign investors. This means starting February 1st, 2026, foreign investors of all types, including institutional and individual, will be able to invest directly in shares listed on the Tadwal without needing special qualification status. Come on, Oanda, give us some
Wow.
of that. Give us some of that Saudi Arabia. Nah, but I'm guessing Schwab and Robinhood probably gonna have access to this for sure. That's crazy. Why
So
this
basically,
matters?
you could buy XRP options or something.
No, we could buy that now, but they are planning to use XRP probably for this very reason, the fact that they opening up their stock market to the world. So when the banks need to settle, transactions at the end of the day, the banks do all their settling at the end of the day. Like when the banks close, they settle all the payments because they just write shit down on a ledger per se. Like, okay, this nigga took out $100, this nigga deposited 2,000, and at the end of the day, they settle all them transactions and really put it into fruition. Even though we see that we deposited $1,000 and we got access to that money, the bank ain't did shit yet. They do that at the end of the day, and they use the Swift system. And I think Fxbrosllc is the name of a system they use. But in the future, they planning on using XRP as a source to settle all those transactions at the end. And I'm talking about like all central banks, U.S.,
Damn,
China. So
that's a
XRP,
lot of money.
that's a lot of money, like trillions, like way more than the damn national debt, nigga. Trillions of dollars.
Yeah, that'll be another goal.
Nah, but so that's gonna
But
be yeah, XRP should see some nice gains from that once that comes to fruition, whenever that happens. This is a significant liberation of one of the Middle East's largest equity markets and is part of Saudi Arabia's broader Vision 2030 economic strategy to attract global capital, boost liquidity, and integrate more deeply with international financial markets. So this is like a potential of finding a Google out of Saudi Arabia before they become a Google. This is what we embarking on. You heard me? So nigga about to have more competition. Them niggas smart too, so they could build some shit. You know what I mean? They got bread. They got that oil money. So yeah, it's about to be fire. It's about to be fire. Fishing was major bears were right on the side of. Let me see. What about
Do me a favor.
its involvement with XRP? What's up?
I'm trying to see. Would you take profit? I'm trying to see when should I take profit on this gold move. I don't think I'm gonna hold this bitch for the week. At least I don't know.
Gold.
Should I take profit? Try to hold this bitch for the day. See if tomorrow busts up as well, since it already gave great momentum for the
Man,
day.
what time frame you looking at? That's all I think I gotta ask.
All right, now I'm on the hour chart. I'm looking at how the last hour just gave this beautiful green fucking bar, but I don't know.
I mean, honestly, bro, I would ask you where you got in at, but it's damn near
50-50?
50-50?
Yeah.
I can say this. We didn't break London structure yet. So we came close to it on that green candle, but London's high hasn't been broken, and it's crazy because I think the same thing happened on something else. It was AU or something I seen where London didn't sweep the previous session, which it damn near always sweeps Asian session for the most part, but it's inside of Asian session. So the range is still 50-30 to 51-10. So as far as a pullback, it could still come back down to 50-30 if it want to. Didn't do it yet. Got a lot of wick projections at 50-60 and below, like slightly below the 50-60. I don't know, dog. Me personally, especially if you got it at 50, say 50-50, I would hold, but if it breaks above, shit, respectfully, 50-97. I know that's like a tight ass range, but if it break above that, if you could take profits, like take some profits, I would take some up there. I mean, taking some right now wouldn't hurt. You up 30 something points or whatever, however y'all look at that.
Right. Right now I'm looking at the 15-minute as well. If you go there, you see how it dojed on it dojed at the 97 area, and now it's pushing down to the low of that last 15-minute. I guess I want to see what this 15-minute closes. I guess there is a fair value gap. I got this.
I got the charts up now. Jay didn't catch that bitch. Use that nigga. Let me know.
What?
I ain't have the charts up. I was looking at this shit.
Yeah. Nah, I had looked at that. I had just left when you didn't have it.
So looking at the 15-minute, which is crazy. Hold up. I see that's weird.
You see this shit
on the hourly, it's showing that New York didn't sweep the low of London. Like I'm looking at it right now. The lowest for New York session is 50-58. The low for London is 50-54. But if I go to the 15-minute, it's showing that it swept that shit.
50-52. It went to 50-52.
The low, yeah, my low is at 50-54 still at 8:30. 9 or 7:30 if you want to.
I thought you were talking about Sunday 11:15.
No, I'm looking at just for today, for Monday morning.
That's the Asian session. I thought you were talking about.
Right. But I was looking at London, and the hourly is showing different. Like on the hour, New York ain't sweeping London, but if you go to the 15-minute and you see it on my chart, it shows New York sweeping London. So looking at the 15-minute, hell no, I wouldn't get out. Like hell no, because it still got to sweep London's high, which it ain't did yet. So nah, I will hold that shit. Fuck that. But out the hourly, I would wait for the hourly to close. Simple as that.
Yeah.
See how it closes. Because yeah, we still got room to go up. For sure.
You said I'm trying to see what you were saying. I don't see that shit for real. It look the same on my chart.
I know it do look the same, but it's just the way these this indicator I got that shows the London session.
Mm-hmm.
It shows the London, and like I said on this chart, London session don't end until I want to say 11 or 12. That's when it ends. So I know based on this indicator, we are still in the London session type shit. So that's why it's showing two different things, because that shit crazy. London close. Yeah.
So overall, you would wait for this hour to close at the least.
Yeah. I would wait.
That hour.
Yeah, I will wait to see how deep does it close into the previous hour. Like I'll put a fib on that previous hour. So that's a standout candle. You know, it engulfed like damn near shit, 8 hourly candles before it, if you really want to look at it like that. So that's a strong candle. I'll put my fibs on that hole, mark what 50% at, and monitor that price. Make sure it don't cross that price. That's how I play that. Or make sure it don't close underneath that price. What value you
got? I got this little indicator, fair value
on
gap
Sunday?
Indicator. Nah, on a 15-minute chart, they got a fair value gap at like 50.74. As long as it don't break below and close or below 72 area, nigga should be good, but that's low as fuck. We'll see though. Niggas just gonna play this shit by ear.
Yeah, I will wait.
Yeah. I'd be.
Morgan Stanley sees gold surging to 5,700 in second half.
Boy, if this gonna be the fucking weather for Mardi Gras, I ain't catching shit this year, nigga.
I'm joked out.
Nigga, I wasn't catching shit anyway.
I'm about to say, picture grabbing a doubloon off the floor and scraping your knuckles on this type of weather.
Yeah, I'm
Son of a
done.
bitch. Oh my God, yeah, bro. I'm going inside.
I'm wearing biker
Oh,
gloves, bitch, for
Nigga
Mardi
said
Gras.
I ain't
scraping
gonna
your
lie.
knuckle.
Get loose chains, loose the bloom. Oh shit. This shit count. I'm about to give me some husky coffee and run it up.
I'm sipping on a coffee too.
That way you know she fucked up. She ain't even get up.
Ripple has just announced a new partnership with GL,
She
the
ain't even get up when
innovation
you open that
arm
door.
of Riyadh Bank, one of
Let out
Saudi
that Tim.
Arabia's largest banks. This deal is aimed at exploring blockchain-based financial services, cross-border payments, digital asset custody, and tokenization use cases. This collaboration fits into Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 strategy. Separately, another report highlights plans to explore Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin and blockchain payment rails with Riyadh Bank Innovation subsidiary, showing Ripple is targeting actual payment infrastructure pilots in the kingdom beyond pure marketing. Come on, nigga. Stand on your business, bitch. Nigga saying we out here. It ain't speculation no more. That's what's up. See, when the U.S. gonna make news like this? They be so damn secretive over here and fucking
Boy,
all
they
this
don't want
damn
nobody to make
theory.
no money.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like they doing all this good business with all these companies, and then the U.S. just be like chilling, like, nigga, y'all gonna let people pass y'all up? We out here standing on this shit. Y'all still using Swift.
Nigga
and it
say they
ain't Swift.
standing on this shit.
For real. Nigga said we about to use this shit, nigga. Vision 2030, which is 4 years away. Where's our Vision 2030 plan at, bitch?
Ain't none. Not for us, at least. Not for the public.
What we got? What was Trump shit? Project 25? Stupid ass. Wasn't that the name of the shit? Some shit he got. I don't know. These tripping.
It's in my cars, in my clothes that make these hoes want a show. And in my thought, it's in my talk. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill today. I don't think I'm gonna make any more movements. Getting in or out of the markets. Unless Walmart does like 120 and starts to show resistance, I might close out both of my positions up there. Maybe like hit 120 and start to like close negative, start closing red. It's time to go. Because 120 is the resistance area. I just needed to get there. And I don't think it's going to break this 117, bro. It refuses. It refuses to. You got in yet? He know I ain't never get in.
What?
Walmart.
Hell no.
He said, hell no.
Nah, I put in the money I was gonna go in Walmart. I put it in GLD and SLV. I'm just letting it sit right there.
Oh, you in stocks.
And ETF.
Nice, man. I know you up on them bitches.
Yeah. Shit, I added some more. Little $50 I had in my buying power from closing on some other shit. I added that last night. On Sunday. Threw that bitch in gold. I mean,
$50, you said?
yeah, there's a little $50 I had in my buying power just sitting. I was like, man, I'm just throw that shit in ETF. So it'll do something instead of just sitting there looking down. But you're gonna do something today.
I'm joked out.
You ain't gonna just sit in the buying pile and not do that. Bitch, you gotta go to work. Put your ass back in shed or something.
I'm joked out. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm just holding these out until like these plays I have. And my plan is every time if they go against me real bad, I'm gonna just get another position on them bitches at the lows.
Yeah.
And just play them at the high. So that's what I'm saving my little bit of buying power I got left.
Right.
50%. My partner said he down 50%.
Man.
Off of this damn USAR play, man. Cause them bitches had opened up 40%, 20% up. Well, they went up 20-40% and they came down.
USR. Yeah, they can hit that bitch. Yeah, niggas know. Oh shit.
Cause the fucking contract this way.
Yeah,
This one had fucked. Huh?
I was waiting somebody to catch that bitch.
Do we have a fucking problem this morning?
Have a fucking problem.
Wait, what?
Off that movie, that Don't Be a Menace in the Hood, when a nigga pulled out that rocket out the damn the mail truck, that nigga said USSR.
Oh. I'm done.
I was talking about what your partner say 50% down.
No, I know what you're talking about. That nigga stupid. USSR.
Silver up 8%.
Yeah, everything busting, bro. Everything busting.
Let's look at some stocks,
son.
Damn, I need to put
silver blew
on
me though,
silver.
son. No, that bitch blew me because I was in last week, bro, at 92, son. Sitting in that bitch for like 3 days. That bitch refused to go up, came down to my stop loss, then took off, bro. This bitch up 20-something points from that. 30 points. Let me see. 20. Yeah, 20. That bitch ain't playing. That's crazy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That'd have been 1,000 points. Damn. That'd have been $1,000, dog, if a nigga would have been able to hold through that. They be doing that jank shit on purpose. Let me see.
Was your stop like
50.
relatively short on that bitch? Like it was a tight stop?
It was $1 stop. I didn't get stopped out. I closed out at break even because I knew it was about to go to my stop the way it was moving. So I got out, but I was supposed to get back in when I seen it came back to my position, and I didn't. And that bitch took off. And
Cause nigga was probably worried about Walmart ass.
Watching other shit, yeah. Fucking gold and shit. Like this bitch dropping right now. Cool. I'd just take my damn money.
Oracle up 3.5 roughly. AVGO up 1%. Dutch Bros down.
Not fucking GJ finally choosing that upside after it done swept the lows. Boy, these markets be crazy.
I was saying too last night, I'm glad I ain't getting the GJ. I was about to get in that bitch blindly. That nigga
yeah, no, that's why I was telling you to wait it out. Definitely wait till 11 and then see.
Cisco up 2.5. Walmart up 0.5%. Palantir down a little bit. ET, come on, ET. What y'all doing, bro?
Go. Refuse to break that for 97 area.
PL down 5.5% today. Lost $1 and change.
Gold done gave back everything that bitch did, bro. On that hour. That's crazy, dog. That type of shit be crazy to me, bro.
Dollar General up 3.5 roughly.
That's how you give up the whole hour.
Yeah, Dollar General.
That you just fought for.
Look at that cold. Let's see what gold at. What gold at, man?
They gave up half the hour it just fought for. Goof. That type of shit don't be making sense. That's how they be getting people out the markets right there. When they do shit like that.
We'll pull the fibs up on it. Let me see what it look like. Speaking of fibs, I gotta redo my.
Do shit that don't make sense. They be like, nigga, what is this? Look, and then just for it to try to push back up, probably for it to come back down, just to push it back up. Like, yo, bitch.
Like I said, it was reaching. If you look at the fibs on that previous hour, 50% was 50.77. It just basically swept that. That was like more buys. 50.77 was like more buys for gold. In this current structure / consolidation we in on the 1 hour. Like, yes, it can go all the way down and make that trade, void it out, but overall, that's where
bullish.
Yeah, for sure it's bullish. I mean, hands down. Like, niggas running to gold right now. But it's gonna try to find reason to shake people out the trade because I mean it can't go to like $8,000 right now or $7,000 right now. Like that bitch ain't no institution will want that to happen. Like they can't get out of trades like that. If the bitch just go to the price they wanted to go to right fast. That's what happened with GameStop. Niggas trying to get out of their position, but that shit just kept going up.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to leave well enough alone still.
And about trying to buy
boy, this shit is nerving, boy.
That silver, and gold is just great long term, and I really need to put some money into that, like the first of February.
SLB
Like that's like a
Boy,
debt.
UJ.
That's
Drop.
the
You gotta
savings
do
account.
that.
I'm about to go add something to UJ
That's
since
your
it
savings
tried to
account.
go
That's
up.
a fact.
Savings
Started
account,
selling.
nigga.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
You said
Could
what?
probably add the UJ sales. Them tried to go up and started going down again.
Yeah, that's a good
I
one
be
too.
liking them.
UJ sales. Let's see.
UJ.
UJ.
I'm gonna add a
Yeah.
position on them.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a short position. Like
I
my
can see
stop about to be
sales.
at like 154 type shit. 154. That's about a $13 stop. But I got my TP at 140, 150.
I'm gonna tell you like this.
For that bitch to go to about 150. That's like the most drastic shit it could do, to be honest. But
yeah, I would because we fighting out that slight bullish engulfing that swept the
close to
previous low that
150.
swept.
That bitch
That,
at
that Monday,
149.
3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning on Monday. That bitch swept Sunday's low. Then 6 o'clock swept that low, creating a bullish engulfing. I would wait for a close
On the
on
hour.
UJ. Yeah, on the hour at least. Underneath 153.5. Like an hourly close. And then I would take sales. I would, because right now we at a crucial point, and I
Okay,
don't know how this bitch gonna close just yet.
gotcha.
I would kind of wait because I've seen the
I'm just
market
looking at the immediate
retest all the
structure
way up to that gap. Yeah, and
on that
besides too,
15-minute chart.
if
It
you
tried
do
to
like
go
say
up to
you
that
do get
bitch.
this trade, you take this trade and you put your stop like what you said at 154 flat, which is
Yeah, it's like
pretty much right above the previous hour.
shit. I
Like your
already
take profit has to be respectfully at the previous low, which is 153.3. So like it ain't no money right there. Like that range is so small. It's like not even worth it to trade. Like don't risk
Oh
that.
no,
Risk
I was
risk on
going
the
for the
biggest.
low of that bitch for real. I don't even expect it to come back to 154. I'm looking at structure for real.
Yeah,
I just don't expect it to. It shouldn't. That bitch,
it shouldn't.
it should. Look at the 15-minute chart right quick. You see that I was looking at how it just tried to go up on these last two 15s, and then as soon
Oh,
as it
okay.
came back to my position, I would already be up right now. I'd be up. If I would have got in what I just said, I'd be up $7 already. From when I was telling y'all I won't get that position, that bitch already started busting type shit. Like, it's small positions, but it's like,
Yeah,
man, shit, that's all you need. You keep every time that bitch give you a confirmation, you just add another position, add another small one. You see what I'm saying? That way it don't really matter. Like you ain't gotta wait because you're doing small positions anyway. What I'm gonna lose $13 if this bitch don't go, and if it go all the way, I'm gonna make like 200. Like
I
I'm looking
think
for
this is
that bitch
another
to
one
drop to
too.
140,
When
150.
New York is trading in between London, so it's kind of anybody's game. Like, is New York gonna sweep London's low and go higher, or is gonna sweep London's high and go lower? That's the question. And by the looks of it, looking at from that level, like I said, it's too soon to tell. It's hourly. Well, not really. It's hourly about to close in like 18 minutes. So yeah, I definitely wait.
Yeah, I'm about to have. Let me see. Yeah, I
But I
waited
would
out.
I would want this current hour to look like the previous hour's candle. If we gonna continue with sales, I want it to be like that. If it's not, I'm gonna be a little cautious. I'm gonna be a little cautious on that shit.
I'm gonna just wait all this shit out. I just need fucking gold to play out, bro. This bitch flying it. That's the only thing I'm really worrying about. Goddamn.
But
I
yeah,
need that
y'all
bitch to at least
crazy, boy.
bust past this 110. Break 110 is Gucci. I know it's Gucci. That bitch done, but the only thing about that is that would be the average of the day, the above average. So it'll just come back down tomorrow type shit. So it's just gonna consolidate, I feel like, until tomorrow when it could do more volume,
Right.
you know? Like this shit going like it's only 9 o'clock. This shit could come all the way down, like you said, 50, 40 if it want to. It could go to 5, 10, come back down, go back up. It's just so much time. Like
Yeah.
is what I'm looking at. And it already did the move for the day. So it's like, fuck, what's next?
Talking about for
You know what
gold
I'm saying?
or
Yeah, that
GJ?
bitch done did the move for the day. It did 120 points. And then, as you can see, as soon as it hit that 120 at 110, it started dropping. It came all the way down back to the support at
And
50.50.
So that was the high. So how many points does gold do a day on average?
About between 80 to 110. I mean 120. Like
so we look in
lately.
the daily opens and closes at like what, 4-5 o'clock on gold?
5.
4-5. So the Sunday open. So from the Sunday open to the high of London at midnight, that was 110 pips.
120 pips. Crazy. Well, 120 points.
120 points. So
yeah.
So it did its bullish move. So overall, you thinking like it's probably gonna sell off?
I mean, what? Unless it just consolidate until tomorrow.
True. And if it does consolidate till tomorrow,
it's just gonna do more numbers.
It is, but it's like, okay, it's gonna set up itself for another 110, 120 move. So before it does that, typically it likes to sweep liquidity to the downside.
Right.
So, and if you're looking at the hourly, I would say structure would be right around 50, 60. 50, 50, 50, 60. So one could say it could go as low as that, grab some more buys, and then ride it out into the next day. That's what I would do. So it depends on where your stop loss at.
So you saying hold the position?
I would say hold a position. If we start to get rejection at 50, 50, 50, 60, if you can, add some more buys in. And then that buy that you got in at 50, 50, and 50, 60, I would specifically, that one in particular, take profit on it as soon as it crossed 5,100. But leave the original trades you got on. Whatever trade you're in right now, leave that one alone. If you added a position, if it dropped out,
get out that bitch at 51.
And let the other one ride. Yep.
Right.
That's how I would play that.
Yeah, if that bitch comes back down. Facts.
Because I don't think gold sell. Like, it's not gold not even selling big enough for it to close in its gaps. Like these gaps that's getting created, not even getting traded to. So it's like, yeah, this bullish momentum is crazy. Usually at least try to fill in a gap somewhere. Them bitches said, fuck them gaps, nigga. Come back to that shit later if we want to.
What you think about getting an AU buys right now? That's too late.
AU buys. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind that. Structure wise, it did pull back these last little 15 minutes to
see how this 15-minute close.
Yeah, this 15-minute should close. Kind of like how it is right now. It should close like that.
Yeah, if it does that,
damn, boy, that gas good over there, huh?
You see it. You know what it is.
That boy playing. Tell that boy trying out for the Hawks, the Atlanta Hawks. The
Hawks, I'm done. I'm choked out. That good
get that boy Atlanta Hawks jersey.
Nigga say he trying out for the Hawks.
You trying out for the Hawks, my little cousin. That boy that is known. That boy that is known for the Hawks. I played that boy. I don't know if y'all remember back in the day. We used to have a dance. I think at the beginning of the year, they used to call it just the Sadie Hawkins dance. So when that nigga spoke, I was like, boy. But nah. Yeah, I would I know AU, so.
So what?
Hey, bro, this nigga Smooth, he is killing me, bro.
That nigga said so what?
Quick, you hear me? The
Nah,
quick
for
to
real.
long is moving right now. See what I'm saying?
Oh my god, that boy got my ass, boy. That was hilarious.
Oh man, I'm just fucking around. I probably wait till this 15-minute close out.
Nah, for real, yeah. Wait for that bitch to close, but nah.
Oh man.
That nigga didn't waste no time. That nigga said, so what?
As soon as he said so what, nigga? Come on. Damn.
Oh my god, boy. That was so funny. Nah, I really do think it's going higher. I think we're gonna see a higher AU. The
Nah, for sure the way it's pushing.
is melting. Like the dollar is melting. Even on the 1 hour.
What, dirty? You fucking with my stretch.
And it'll be nice for it to close, create a recent lower low. I mean, this ain't the lowest.
That dollar going down. It's gonna be going on till summertime. Probably.
What?
I agree.
Who's gonna be
This
going to the
move,
summertime? AU?
this move that's happening is gonna be going on till summertime.
I agree.
Let's look at the month chart. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Yeah, bro. You might as well get in next month and hold this bitch for the month. Get you a whole position for the month. Yeah, I can't believe nigga ain't getting at that 6. What the price I was saying? Get in that 6.6.
667.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
That was the month move.
I know. That's the
That
year
was the
move.
whole,
That's the
that was
year
the
move.
whole monthly move, bro.
That's the move of the year right there. Buys for AU.
I didn't even realize that was the bottom. I would have been saying get in even more. That's crazy. That shit did that in a week.
Yeah, dog.
Damn. That's crazy.
You not playing.
Don't speak that on your life. That's crazy. Say no foolishness like that.
But yeah, that's a lot of. I ain't gonna lie. The move was last year. I'm gonna keep it all the way G. Even though we getting a breakout right now, but that damn Trump move, that was such a fucking pump fake. That nigga did a pump fake and did a fadeaway 3.
I'm joking.
For that terror move, like, and nobody caught that shit. I mean, I know it's a lot of people caught that bitch, but
with the drop,
that drop and catching buys right there on every damn instrument in the world, from the S&P to gold to, I think the only one that went the opposite was the dollar. You should have shorted the dollar, but everything else dropped around that time. Like, that was the fucking move. That nigga did a no-look pass to everybody, and niggas, we all fucking with the other.
He always doing that shit. Like, you just gotta listen. Keep your ears to the streets, sure. Trump is the streets.
And it was plain to see, like, the fact that we dropped down 1 week and the very next week ate all that back up. Like, that was the move. Confirmation.
I didn't eat all or nothing. Pause.
Man, shit, the market did. Somebody got that shit. Somebody ate that shit up here. Nah, but yeah, that bitch going up, dog.
Good. AU, yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I think good, man.
Most definitely. I'm man. If I get in that bit, I'm planning on holding that one for the month. Because watch how the next month open up. You feel me? Yeah, PL keep doing the same thing AU was doing. Keep hitting that same level and bouncing up, bro.
Yeah.
Peep PL on the hour chart.
I saw it was down there.
Nah, but peep it on the hour chart. Go look at it on the 4 hour or something.
Oh, yeah. I see it. 25.
keep hitting 25, 20. I called that shit the first time it did it. I said it's gonna hit 25, 25, and if it don't close in there on a 15-minute chart, I said you nigga get buys in that bitch, bro. Hawking that bitch, look. You know what I mean? Like I've been calling everything to the number, bro. That's why I've been like tripping with this shit, cause like nigga skills ain't no question no more at this point. Like I could call damn near anything to a number, like, and be like, yo, just based off of structure alone, it's gonna do this. Like, oh, it's about to do that. Oh, it's about to do. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, just looking at structure though. But sometimes I just get nervous because, you know, shit, the markets is the markets. Like, even with that Walmart call, nigga seen it was dropping, but it was like, I said that bitch should, I called what it should do. Sure enough, that bitch right back up, bro. Nigga said that bitch, I think just a pullback because this shit happened so fast.
Yeah, that's yeah. If it happened too fast, then it won't be short lived. Like,
but I'm saying all this to say, bro. Like, I really do see this like $1 million future. Like, I mean, 25K for sure. And then apparently, once you hit the 20K threshold, this shit becomes lunch. 1% is.
But it's like that's the whole thing about it. Like what makes it so nervous, like hindsight to me, when you're looking back at it, like, oh man, it's validation. But the fact that when it's time to execute, it be like real live money. And it's gonna be that feeling every time. I don't care if you got 25 to 25 million in them. Because you go have that same type of feeling. Now, me, I would say once I get, and I'm dead serious, once I get like six figures in there, and that six figures is upwards to a quarter, and an account, then I know I won't have to push that 100% to get a certain amount. I think that's the threshold, and it's always been 10
Exactly.
for me. If I could pull in 10K a month off of trading, then whatever that may be, which is pretty much around that, 25K, but I would even say six figures then. Like if you got 100K in there, you should be able to pull out. Uh, I mean, shit, one trade could fuck around and get you that in a month.
Exactly.
But it's like, yeah, every level that shit go get, it's gonna be the same and tougher because it's uncharted waters. You like, damn, I'm dealing with this much now. I lose this, then I'm losing what I started with. Like that's how much I lost in that trade. Like,
type shit. Yeah. That's why I
you're
said that
just taking bigger hits.
$100,000 account making 10,000 a month. That's 10%. That's in the world of high net worth traders and investors. That's a lot of money a month. Like people go look at you dumb if they like a multi-millionaire and you tell them that you can make them 10% a month. They gonna be like, boy, get the fuck out of my face. Can't do that
Right.
shit. Like, cause nobody in that realm promises that. Like, that's unheard of numbers. Like for us to be talking about that, yeah, we have seen that. We done doubled our account in a month before. But consistently doing that, yeah, that's like rock star status, nigga. Like you like Superman. You doing 10% a month? Like for real.
Yeah.
Niggas don't want to give you a job. Like, come work for me, bitch.
Yeah, I was just saying for options, like I literally per contract, damn near I use about between 10 to 25% of my account. You know what I'm saying? So
Right.
at 100K, I wouldn't mind using 10% at max. per contract type like
risk.
if I see a fire move, I risk 10K, like get 10K worth of contracts on this move, like buying Walmart at a low or something, at 117 or something like that. Like I would risk the 10%. That bitch go down a lot, like to 110. I'm getting 10,000 more contracts. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to do. Like it's just you just gotta wait out those dates and things like that. You can't.
Yeah, I mean, then too, saying for like what Jay was talking about with the like 10,000 to be a good number a month. Like, say you do buy that bitch in that $10,000 contract position, you just put on that whole move in your favor, and you just made $3,500 in 5 minutes. Like
Right.
that type of shit, you probably most likely you probably gonna close that because that's like life
Close the
changing
hell
money
out
at
that.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Man,
But
you go put you a down payment on your house or something.
that's what I'm saying. But right now, if a nigga put a contract and you up $3.50, nigga ain't gonna take that because what that's gonna do? Give me a burger? You hear me? Like it's like we still trying to get that 35 right now type shit. Even though our accounts won't suffice that shit. It ain't go, it's not enough. But eventually, yeah, people you won't be prone to hold shit so long because the size of your leverage or your trade size will allow a small move to give you, I ain't gonna say life changing money, but like money that would normally take an average American, 2 weeks or a month to make with a job, and you making that in like 5-15 minutes. Like, yeah, you gonna take that shit. Even though holding it
That part.
could get you 30K. If you hold it for 2 weeks, it can move under
Right.
30K, but it's like you can also lose 30K. That bitch go against you. So it's kind of like, that's why I was telling Jay the other day, I think we was talking, I was like, man, options to people who don't trade Forex, option trading is like the Forex to they buy and hold. Like they buy and hold for long term so they could get wealth and all that shit. But option, that's how they jug the money and get like a nice little 10, 20, 30-day payday or pay out of option. Just like how we would treat, Forex and indices and shit. So it's like, yeah, like, and hence the reason why niggas don't, hold options till they expire, even though I think the farthest out you could buy options like 2 years, but it's not even recommended versus what we've been learning from AI to even hold your shit to expire. Like you want to exit before expiry because that's when theta decay comes into play. If you wait till your expiry, no matter the only thing that happened, I think that worked out in our favor was Walmart because even though that first trade we made us so much money and we waited to expiry, but Walmart was still going bullish at that time. Like that's the reason why we didn't get as much theta decay because it was like I guess the implied volatility was like crazy. It was still going up, type shit. Like we could have rolled that bitch probably and would have made more money. That would have been probably perfect thing to do. Looking back at it, we could have rolled that trade over to a further out expiry and added to them gains.
Nah, we should have rolled it over that little baby call. Bro, this bitch doubled from our call. Fool, damn near. Crazy work, bro. Them same contracts we had that was worth $100 when we bought them, they worth like about 14, about probably like 3,000 right now.
Damn, for real?
No exaggeration. When our contract was supposed to close on January 16th, those contracts probably were worth racks at the time. Those same $100 contracts we had that was supposed to expire on the 16th, when they expired, they would have been worth racks.
That's
Racks, bro. I peeped that bitch because the contracts right now are worth at the money at like 110 is worth fucking $800, $900. So imagine what the price of a $70 call, which we had, you know what I'm saying, what is worth right now. Like
Because
That's
when we was
crazy.
buying that shit, that was what the price was. I know it was under $100.
At like $60, $70. I know I bought
Yeah.
my first car was at $60, bro. When you
Mm,
got in, it was at 70.
mm, mm.
I remember the prices. We had January 16th calls. That bitch, your contract was like $70. Yeah, mine was like 100, I think, or something like that. A little bit, yeah, something like that. Them same contracts worth fucking racks right now, bro.
Cause we had got in like late November or early December on the ones.
Yeah, December. So
Yeah.
we had got it early December after Walmart. After we seen Walmart, after we played that out,
Yep.
we was like,
Yep.
all right,
Yep.
what's the
Yep.
next
Yep.
plays? We had got in there. Nigga didn't hold it out. You know what I mean? Didn't know what it was gonna do because remember it dropped on us hard. It went back to the top. And it was like, I don't know what this is about to do. But I'm saying contract. That's why now I like to have a holder contract and then I have a scalper. If it's something that I think is gonna do numbers, I got a hold on that bitch like till a date type shit.
Right.
Or at least until it hit a certain price. Like,
Now look at
you know what I'm
AU now.
saying?
Look at AU now in the
That
hour.
bitch pulled back, huh?
That bitch pulled back up.
It did. I just looked.
Fucking right.
Oh, yeah. No, I was
See?
just looking at it. Nah, it's up there though. Let me see. I'm about to give me a little position here, man. Give me something slight. Oh no, that's why I was waiting. That bitch trying to pull back on that 15 minute.
Yeah, I wouldn't go heavy on this trade. I would add to it. Let it get in. If it go up, great, cool. If it go down, it's not gonna kill your account
Right.
because it's
No
still
point.
it's close enough to that gap where it could still possibly fill that bitch at 69.69 flat. That's where
Yeah.
you really want to buy it. I would go heavy
Okay.
on that. But if you want to get in just to get in, yeah, I would get it, but don't go too
I
heavy.
ain't trying to do nothing just to do nothing.
Yeah, I'm just saying, don't go too heavy because what
That
you
bitch
don't
gold
want.
at 5100.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that bitch
And you know
deserves.
how you said
That bitch
75 was another
deserves.
entry? That's actually where I kept thinking about entering another call at, but I was just like, man, I don't even feel like fucking with it till tomorrow. Cause my nerves gonna be too bad. And I'm gonna wind up getting out
Fucking
both positions.
silver is at 10% almost today, bro. What the fuck?
Who?
Like that, silver probably made somebody a millionaire today. I'm done.
Yeah, silver did 9.6%
Come on, bro. Like, what are we talking about? This
and
bitch is
counting.
man
All right,
for
let me
real.
go look at Walmart right quick. All right, on the hour we had a
I
very
was about to
beautiful
say something stupid
close.
and be like, "Oh man, I'm gonna put in heavy when it comes back. It probably ain't coming back.
You talk about silver?
Like for real. Yeah, like
Yeah,
if it turn around, how like where
that
can
boy
y'all
said,
see it
"Come
go?
back,
Like if you
come
got the
back to where?"
if you got the that's what I'm saying.
If
Like
I had to pick where it would come back to, 109 or 110. That's
I
it.
mean, I got a trend line on this motherfucker,
Where your
and
trend
yeah,
line
yeah,
at?
and you know, I'm about to send it to you all the things so
it
y'all can
got to be
see.
on tops
But
and
if that
bottoms.
bitch come back all the way to the trend line, it should probably touch 87. That's what the trend line at way at like 80,
I see what you're talking
87. If
about.
it come back, like say if it was to drop today, it would touch at like 80, 86.2.
Okay.
So yeah, it's got a big ways to come back to the trend line, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
And
They got
I
a gap
mean,
around like 103, 104. It could stop right there. It got structure at 95. It could stop there. Like, yeah, man.
and if you look at, I'm about to send y'all this picture of
That's the thing
this
about it. It could
gold.
do whatever the fuck it want to. We just really don't know.
I
And you
want to
gotta
show
think
y'all
about it
something.
too. This candle we currently in on silver, I don't know what the fuck going on with silver, but this is like the great breakout. Like look at the previous, and I'm on the 4 hour. Look at the previous 4 hour candles and how they struggle to break over them wicks. Like the bodies always trade back under the recent high, but this one is just pushing like no hesitation. This is about to go to 113 on it. I think silver took the cake, so to speak, as far as what I'm watching. I don't think nobody up this much.
They got to.
Yeah,
What the
nobody
fuck
up
at
this much.
102?
I think the closest
I mean,
person,
USAR did numbers, bro. As far
Dollar
as
General.
stocks,
Oh,
USAR
I ain't got that
they
one.
did.
What they did today?
Let's see. I can't really see their numbers, but they still up on that gap. Yeah, they did. It's like 20% right now.
Damn, today?
Yeah.
Fuck. Shit, nigga. But
In
that's a like
pre-market, it did more than that. It did probably like 30, 40.
that's like on some penny stock section. Like, what's the stock price?
No, hell no. This bitch worth $28.
Hold up. What's the damn ticker? I ain't gonna put it on the screen.
USAR. I mean, I wouldn't give a fuck.
Oh. Rare earth.
There's some shit Trap was talking about yesterday.
Secured 3.5 billion in funding to accelerate U.S. rare earth supply chain and hit the 2030 growth targets. The fuck is this? Producer metal fabrication. 140% for the year. U.S. Rare Earth is a domestic supply of rare earth magnets and heavy rare earth elements. It is developing a vertical integrated domestic supply chain for rare earth element magnets production facility in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and mining rights to the Round Top heavy rare earth and critical minerals deposit in West Texas. Bitch. Company was founded in May 2019 and is headquartered in Stillwater, Oklahoma. Son of a bitch. These niggas are 7 years old, 29 employees, and has a market cap of 4.2 billion. Oh my god. I want to work for these niggas. This like
Mm-hmm.
this like the
Yeah, that's
first 100
crazy.
people who started working at Google or Apple. Like them niggas like
Set for
multi-billionaires.
life.
Set for life.
Well, them GJ buys kicking in after they swept them lows. They definitely kicking in. They fucking up their UJ sales.
Damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Jay said it's checking out. Look like Jay's
Checking
trying
like
to
The
check
watch
out.
list, no? Fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I thought I was about
That
to
bitch
cancel
creating bullish momentum.
TradingView. I'm gonna just keep paying for that shit, man, until they get this.
Shit, I ain't paying for that shit, right? I used to, man. Nobody got it right now. Fuck
Man.
that. I need the market to pay me to pay for
I
it.
just like it for the charts. Like
I like
I
it for the
mean, I
charts, but
don't be using.
I don't like. It's good to have. I mean, I done got spoiled, but it's good to have the watch list up because on the free account they give you like that 30 stocks you can put on the watch list, but I got a limited now, so I can just keep adding that bitch and quickly go to that shit.
Yeah, that do be blowing me. They be fucking my watch list. Like they talking
But,
about I
but
can't
like I
add no
said,
more shit.
it's some spoiled shit because you could really have
Just open
AI.
another one.
Yeah, you can have AI. Oh yeah, you can open another one. Like how you said, you can open a
Open
whole
them
nother
side.
fucking free account.
No,
Yeah, like that.
watch list. I was saying I think you could add another one.
Oh, like have just two separate watch lists.
Yeah, because I got a Forex cross watch list, in my bag watch list, stock watch list, crypto watch list.
Gotcha.
Look, create new lists,
Right.
multiple watch lists. Or you need explore plans for that too. I probably did all that shit when I had the account when I was paying for it. So now like it's done already type shit. They
Right.
can't take it away from me.
Um. Yeah, this crazy, bro. This they got another earnings report in 30 days. They just secured 3.5 billion in funding.
Yeah, I'm about to probably get these GJ buys though for real. This the call I was calling since last night. That's what I was waiting on. Like, check us. You heard me? Let me see. That bitch got a negative fair value gap right there. Where is that? Oh, that fucking hour chart.
I ain't gonna lie, I like that AR shit. I'm about to look at some option prices for that bitch.
That shit like 600 right now.
Damn.
It was Friday. It was same contract worth 240. They was asking when niggas trying to get in at market open. That bitch jumped up to like 600.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy work. And UJ about to play a nigga, huh? That's why I'm about to get them GJ vibes to hit that shit.
U.S. rare.
I really think they do that shit on purpose, man. Like they really see the influx of black and brown investors, and I think they are trying to
What?
price majority of the community out. I'm just calling it.
What are we talking about? UJ?
Yeah, that
The
nigga going
market
there.
as far as like contracts and shit, bro. Like I really think they try to price a lot of
Oh
people
yeah,
out.
for sure, bro. It's
You know,
crazy.
I
It's
believe it.
crazy how expensive little baby contracts got because it got too easy to read. Like I'm
Yep.
talking about, I could call that bitch from top to bottom. I called to play Friday. I called that bitch 110 to 120. Sure enough, bro, that bitch shot from 110 to 120. I'm like, bro, the contract was 800. I didn't have enough. My money was tied up in other contracts. I couldn't get it, but that's 10 points. How much money they would have gave a nigga for 10 points? $10. You
Money
see
they
what I'm
did not want
saying?
to give up.
They don't want to give you that, bro. But
yeah.
let me call and see some shit like, bro, I'm closing every contract. You heard me to get in that bitch. Goof ass shit, man. They be playing.
1,500.
Usually down bad for that.
I like that USAR shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just like what the company is. I like how small they are. I like that they getting a lot of their money from West Texas, like no man's land. And them niggas just got 1.5 billion from the government too.
I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to close before I do anything.
Appreciate
12
that one,
o'clock.
brother. I added that to the watch.
Oh man, this good, bro. Shit ain't
Watch
nothing, bro.
that
This shit
shit.
easy, bro. How to be the richest niggas. We gotta supply to each other, make sure we on top. Told y'all, holding each other accountable. We making money. We get doing this road to
Financial target.
25K.
Big facts. What UJ doing?
I don't want to be no motherfucker to be like, yo, I made it to 25K and ain't gave y'all no moves.
Like, how you got there? Oh, y'all never heard of USAR?
But I made bank on it.
I made $1 million
Right.
off it.
Stupid
You
ass.
ain't heard of BBAI? I thought I
You never
told
heard
y'all
of
about that.
BBA?
I'm done.
All right, that's enough. Y'all get in chat.
I'm done.
Uh,
Shit.
chat.
UJ with the sell off.
Damn, USAR blowing.
This day gonna be crucial for UJ because it's about to break structure on this day. We'll see if it's gonna close in a break. That's the big question. The lows at 154.4. Yeah, 153.9. Don't look like it's going up any higher just yet. Consolidating on everything for the most part. And you got to realize too, I don't know a whole lot about. I would think it's the same thing for UJ, but anything after I would say probably like respectfully like 11 o'clock, like yes, that's dead time. Unless if you know we about to get an interest rate news release or some shit like reason to be getting
Walmart blowing it, son.
Walmart.
Yeah, this bitch want to play too much. That
Okay,
bitch. But I'm gonna tell you what, if it closes in this demand level right here at 8, right where it's at, in 5 minutes, I'm gonna close out one of
Walmart
them
good,
contracts
man.
and positive.
yeah, Walmart.
Yeah,
Yeah, Walmart
let me
good.
get another one. Good for what? This bitch been
Good for
consolidating for
gains, man.
days.
It's good for
Good
rolling
for
back prices.
gains.
This is rollback. You know Walmart like the rollback prices. They rolling this bitch back right
So
now.
that's why I'm about to roll my
You gotta
ass out,
buy it.
and then when they come down again, I'm gonna get in at the bottom. Let this bitch close in this demand level on this 5 minute. I'm gonna show you.
They rolling back the
There
prices,
you go.
man.
Let's see though. Yeah, AU pulled all the way back.
Yeah, I saw
That's
that.
why I was waiting for that
Saw
close,
that.
bro. All right, let me just shut up. Let me just shut up, dog. Don't say nothing.
Oh man.
I don't know how that shit be. But yeah, what we was at? Damn. Yeah, I'm because I got 2 contracts in Walmart, so I'm like, if I close out, because I got one like damn near at the money right now. If I could just, I was trying to close
Any
out
of them in
positive.
profit?
Shit, no, not really,
Not really.
bro. I need both of them. I got them at this price on one of them, and then one of them I got 119.
Wow.
That's why I need this bitch to really push the 120 again. This bitch keep on coming up and then pulling back. I've been playing, but let me see. There's one that I got like literally should be up something. Let me see. Yeah, it's up $10, but that bit down $15 overall.
Can you can set stop losses and shit on Schwab?
Yeah, I think so. I don't even use all that shit.
That's
It's
good,
like for
man.
my stop loss, me seeing that bitch break that close at the demand level, like it just did on that 5 minutes. Yeah,
Let me set a stop loss on my entry.
it's about to pull back some up. So
Stop.
instead of having 2 negative contracts, might as well just close out, keep my I'm thinking close out, keep my
76% on ET.
if I close out now and break even, at least I get to keep my money. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? And I could always open another contract at 17.50 or something like that. Like yeah, I might lose $10-15, but
Well, my theta decay
I
is
wait.
0.001. That bit's less than a penny, but it's ET call because I got it so far out. And my delta is at 0.84. I think this call, if ET really does something, this one goes, if not make the same amount or more than Walmart, but it's gonna properly do it. Like Walmart gave us that money in fucking 2 weeks. This ET call
Mm,
probably gonna give it to me in like 8 months. Like that's the correct way to
yeah,
make
that
a
bitch
lot of
moving
percentage.
slow.
It's moving slow, but it's going in the right direction. Like it's giving baby moves, but it's just going
Hmm.
in the right direction. But but yeah, I'm starting to like understand that shit a little bit better, especially when you got calls going that far out. Something like ET. But
ET phone home.
that
Damn,
USAR shit, boy, I
10%
want to get
silver.
that 10% silver.
10% silver.
10% silver, bro. That shit crazy.
Phone home. ET. Phone home. ET.
Yeah.
We are not the same. I am a march.
Mhm.
And I'm hotter than summer rain like all time. I'm joking though. Yeah, though, USAR is a cool move if you could get in at the bottom. Those contracts are really expensive right
They
now, though.
are, they are,
And
but they not without reach though. That'd be crazy if US Air was a rug pull. Them niggas got all that money and just be like, nigga, we about to spend this shit.
Yeah,
About to
UJ
be a yacht.
blind.
It's about to be a new inline.
I'm about to vote them DJ buys, I think.
I'm about to go give me some planes and shit. This buildings. Billions. Anybody got any Cisco? Cisco looking good. Brazilian.
No. I'm about to go get me
No, no
DJ.
Cisco. I was in Cisco, and that was slipped out of my grasp. That was all after the
Oh,
Walmart
GJ
high.
starting to buzz up. I see why you
That's what
talking
I'm
about
saying.
GJ. It stopped
Yeah.
us out on that buy that I had set up on the
Where you
chart.
got in?
No, the buy when you was talking about getting in GJ to Sunday,
Yeah,
I set up a little buy
this bitch
order on
about to go.
TradingView, and that bitch that got stopped out at 6 this morning. Just a
I
little
think I
paper
like
trade.
GJ.
Yeah, GJ look nice.
But UJ
But
blonde. That
GJ,
bitch. Right. UJ is blonde.
UJ should be selling because of the dollar. So is GJ. So what is the German economy doing based off the yen? That's will tell you how to trade down.
I know GU is busting. So German got to be busting. And let me go look at the currency heat wave chart. Right now, Euro is one of the strongest shits this month, but G is right next to it. As far as same thing on the day chart. 4-hour chart, G is busting.
Yeah.
GBP.
GJ.
Euro has been doing a lot. I don't watch Euro. I don't really like how Euro moved, but apparently it's been doing numbers.
Euro training wheels. That's like the first patty I always teach you on when you first started Forex.
Yeah,
Euro USD.
Good.
I quickly said, man, I don't want to be like everybody else. That's another path to trade.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. GJ looked too good to pass up.
I mean, it's coming from a low. It already kind of swept the lows, previous lows. I wouldn't be too mad at it,
At least a tester.
What's the interest rate on the German? What's the German pound, right? Let's see what the interest rate is. Let's go to rates. Globalrates.com. Let's see. German pound.
Yeah, my head ain't got it in summer rain like call times.
What the hell?
Yeah, it just looked too damn good.
Are they under the European
No,
European Central Bank?
Think so.
German,
actually,
GJ? Or it was UK,
forget, bro.
the British.
I forget every time. I think it's the Euro. But then again, I think not. Because the Euro is the Euro. Yeah, I got in GJ right quick. Fuck that. Even though it's high on this 4 hour. Let me see. I just want to see what it immediately does. I feel like it's going to give a pullback, though.
15%.
Brazilian?
15%
GBP?
great on it. No, Brazilian. Brazil.
What's the
interest rate 15%. Crazy.
What's ours?
3.5. 0.7. Well, the Russians is high, but when we have that Ukraine shit, I think they should drop a little bit.
I'm gonna wait to see if it pull back.
Let's see.
It's like stupid right now.
What
Mm, mm,
interest rate on
yeah, bro. Mm. Yeah, I think the best thing for me to do is just not look at the market for the rest of the day.
Boy, I was just about to say, you took the word on. I was about to say that earlier. I was like, yeah, you
I
probably just go
literally think
outside, listen to the birds, bro.
it's done. I'm done. Like the most just gonna stress me out type shit. And you really just
Yep,
need to go find some set some alerts and just go find something to do.
yep. Y'all, what's the temperature out there? Y'all ain't dealing with this 17-degree weather.
Nah, it's not that cold.
Cold as cheese. Well, like a nigga in Wisconsin on this bitch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The Eurozone. So it's
And
it's the
also
Euro. It's for Germany.
it's a euro. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's fucking 2.15, and they lowered it from 2.4.
Damn, bro. Gold hit 110 just to pull that bitch all the way back to 50.75.
So against
That's
the
why I
yen,
said
the Japanese yen is at 0.75. So they raising rates. It was at 0.50, at 0.75, and everybody else cut. So yeah, it's the same thing as UJ. UJ, GJ should be the same thing. Two different currencies, so it's probably not going to act exactly the same way, especially when the euro interest rate is at 2.15 and we are at 3.75. So we do have a higher interest rate than the European Central Bank. So it's going to move differently compared to the yen, which is at point. So we probably have a stronger disposition, a stronger move because we further away from this 0.75 from the yen than the European is. So you might not see as crazy of a move in GJ on them buys, kind of like how you see in
okay.
UJ with sales, but it's a good risk to reward buy. I would say it's coming from a low. You got somewhat a clean traffic to the left if it breaks them recent highs, so I wouldn't be mad at it.
This 4 hour kind of did a lot already. I want to see if they're going to give a pullback. Probably come back at like 12 or something. But it's just been closing green. So ain't no telling. Low key just might put a small position, let it run.
Mm. $10.30. So one thing that will happen is the fact that it is 10:30. You might still see a lot of some sort of pullbacks. Niggas going to
Mm-hmm.
lunch and shit. But yeah,
Yeah,
GJ
that's
look
what I was
good.
saying. This
GJ look
bitch
good on the
gold and
4
pulled
hour.
all the way back.
Why not retest 214 again? Fuck it. I don't see nothing wrong with that. USAR. Niggas up 10%.
Man, I was just up 250. This pulled all the way back, bro. Not even about to play with this shit. This is crazy.
Where the pips on that? I know I was down there about 500 pips on fucking UJ sales, but
Nice.
sooner or later that bitch gonna be $5 a pip, bitch.
Yeah, I'm still holding the sell, but my stop loss kind of right there, like 154.3.4.
Yeah,
Like it's not far from it, and it's already trying to push. It's
yeah, I
that
got my eye
bullshit.
on it. I want to add some more buys to AU. Sure. Every nigga kind of mad. Nigga that take part in that 66.7 buy. So I'm gonna accumulate as much as I can. I want to get buys at 69 flat. I want to urge you if it can pull it down, pull it back that much.
Don't go breaking my heart.
Sweep the damn lows.
Don't go breaking my heart. I'm sorry. That's what the market be doing, brother. Like like Walmart punk ass right now. Don't go breaking my heart. That bitch done did a 30-minute doji. What are you confused about? Everybody wants to buy. I'm flabbergasted at what the problem.
Flabbergasted. Man,
Just
that's a
don't
word
understand.
right there. I know that word. Saudi stock market, Forex, Walmart stock drop, Forex post, YouTube and Gappenberg simulation.
Just trying to push my little thing now. You hear me? It's all good. Niggas hating on me. That's what it is. Niggas hating on me. The market's hating on brown skin. Mm, mm. Pogo by the tank.
But you still ain't crop it, dumb asshole.
Let's see. Oh, that playing dirty. Need to clean that. That bitch said, AU buys coming back.
Fuck it, I'm gonna use that bitch, but don't work.
Man, what you doing, what, Diesel? You can't even hit 119 no more.
Run out of steam, huh?
Sad case, boy. Sad case. Breaks my heart to see you like this, man. You know?
Hold up. Hold
Man,
up.
since we was
Hold up.
little boys, we used to be chilling, you heard me? Nigga say since we was little boys. Since I was a little boy, you heard me? Used to come up in there with my mom. You heard me? I don't see how you not worth 500 right now. Actually, that's what you need me to talk to you. Come on, we can talk. Listen, I'll have a conversation. Cause nobody be thinking about you. I think that's what it is.
This nigga's go down. Oh.
How your day going? Shit, this is ridiculous.
Kick his ass, Seabass.
Niggas don't be asking you how your day going. I think that's the problem.
Kick his ass, Seabass.
You say you eat ass.
Nah, man, chill out.
That's what I've ever heard. Eat ass. Eat ass. What?
I say kick his ass, Seabass.
Oh my gosh, bro. Y'all. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on, y'all.
Hey, I ain't
I'm
never did
sorry.
that shit, boy. That shit
That's
just.
that's what I heard. I'm sorry.
Nah, I'm gonna keep it real. Like I'm a grown ass man. I don't have nobody. I don't have no quarrels talking about my lifestyle. But
I'm about to
that's
get
some
an
nasty
AU
ass shit.
bias.
I
Oh
don't.
snap.
I don't really like
I'm sorry.
new
Me neither,
trend.
brother. That's just what I
That new
thought I
trend.
heard.
I
I was
don't really like that new
tripping.
trend. That's cool.
Is deceive me.
I remember back in the day. I mean, I know we're going down this crazy ass this topic right now, but back in the day, it used to be crazy to say you go down on a chick. It used to be like weird for niggas to say that. Like, man, I don't do that. I don't do that. Even Juvenile said, like, he said, I don't do no licking. Like, you heard me? So it was like, yeah, man, we don't do that. That's nasty. But
I'm
shit.
choked up. Shit.
That's all I'm gonna say about that. But shit. I'm 40-some years old.
Shit, it's crazy. Nah, it gotta be like a bitch I fuck with.
No, fact. All day, but still though.
Ain't no right. Ain't no bitch I know out here just fucking. You
like,
heard me?
We talking about the markets, man. We talking about how Walmart going down, and we trying to buy it up.
Oh my God. Oh.
Anyway,
Mine out the gutter, man. We talk about how the market's going down, man.
Oh boy.
It's a sweet buying opportunity when it go down. Oh man. Boy, we cold, boy. See how we tie that right back into the That's when you know you cold at this shit. You could tie that shit right back into the market.
Oh my Lord. Oh Lord.
Come learn from us. We'll make sure you get it.
Oh my God.
We'll make sure you understand this shit. Layman's terms. Say that.
Man, play too much. Alright. Yeah, it look like gold by the tank.
Back.
That bit played me, son.
We're back.
That bit really played me. I feel like that bitch about to go sweep my price at this point. That bitch going to sweep us. No, gold. That bitch going to sweep people prices. Y'all tell me what to do. Tell me what to do, y'all. Help me now. Call me now.
Buy and hold it for 3 years.
That's not the answer he wanted.
That part. Listen, I got a stop loss, like not too far from,
You
from
asked.
that, you know.
He said you.
All right, cool. I hold it. I'm gonna hold it throughout the day. I ain't gonna say nothing else about it. I'm done. Now, what I do have a problem with is what Walmart is doing, though. I'll tell you that much. Oh Lord.
What is that? Is it still at 118 or something?
And I'm about to get an AU. I'm about to get an AU buy.
AU buy?
Yeah, it finally finished that little dump it was doing.
Yeah, man. Y'all getting AU, man.
Yeah, I remember
Let's
the
go.
25. I'm gonna wait for the 5 minutes to close out. Let's see what it do.
AU buys.
And buy everybody buy Walmart.
Please.
Walmart is at
118.21.
Buy Walmart and shop there this week. I don't care. Whatever you need, they got it. They get clothes, grocery.
Oh yeah, no
hardware.
doubt.
And you don't even have to go. Just order it on the wing server. They'll bring it to you. Yeah.
Big facts. Yeah, them niggas droning this shit to you.
If you got a backyard or a front yard, you can get that shit delivered.
Come on.
Right now, for just as little as $5.99.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Ain't nothing wrong with paying $7 for that toothpaste. You hear me?
Right.
That shit. $20.
I don't know how much that's.
Low key probably is.
Right.
Probably $5.99.
$5. That sound like the right price.
No, it really do. It really do.
The delivery
price.
Nigga said they did 750,000 drone deliveries already.
Wow. Damn. So they really.
Yeah, they put
7,000.
750,000.
750,000.
Yeah, they about to hit 1 million deliveries already.
What they got? Kelsey,
Kelsey, yeah.
Who they think they got?
Oh, that nigga hit that bit, boy. You crazy. Nah, that's hilarious. That nigga said, who you think they hit that Kelsey? Nah,
And nigga said Chelsea Carter.
Chelsea Carter, yeah.
Chelsea Carter.
Oh man, that was hilarious, bro. Especially at the end of that bitch when they was doing the bloopers, bro. That nigga was trying to
Yeah, that's how he fucked up on that shit.
Bro, you cannot forget those bloopers, dog.
No, that was the funniest shit, dog.
You cannot forget that shit, dog. That boy said, who they think they got? Chelsea Clinton. What's her name? Kelsey.
Nigga said gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish.
The what? The fish. She started fussing at that boy from behind her.
For real. That shit was funny. Yeah, we about to get into a range. I would say either wait, but you ain't got no choice but to wait. But if you ain't something, wait until you gotta wait till the Asian session tonight, like 6, 7, 8 o'clock at the earliest.
So don't get out of gold.
Don't get out of nothing. Don't get into nothing because it's consolidated. It's only gonna piss you off. It's gonna piss you off when it's in drawdown. It's gonna make you feel good when you're positive, but it's about to get in that consolidation stage, and we gonna do a breakout sometime in the Asian session.
So don't get out of Walmart neither.
Okay. Now, when your Walmart contract expire? You said next Friday?
Like on the 6th.
On the 6th?
Yeah.
I wouldn't get out, but I would definitely be like having like a set in stone where you wanna get out if it do go up, like
120. Shit. So at this point, get both of them bitches out at 120. Let that bitch pull back to 117. Get 2 more contracts down now. I just want to start
if
fresh.
it pulled back to 117 right now, and then go to 123?
That's why I wanted to get out and let that bit come down, and I get back in. Well, I was gonna get out. I was trying to get out positive for real though. It's not positive no more. When I was saying it at first, it was.
Right.
I'd have been able to get out positive.
You could get out at a small loss and wait for it to come back down if it's gonna keep selling, which I know is kind of hard to determine that right now. But if it's gonna keep selling, and then take them losses plus whatever you got and go into another bigger position at 117. 116.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. But I mean, if it's just gonna do 117, I ain't tripping. But if this bit break 117, that's what I'm thinking, you know.
Yeah.
Like we don't know if it's gonna break 117. I don't want that to happen. I would have rather midnight, but you know, it's all good though. It should hold. It's been holding all this time.
22, 23.
It's been holding all this time. I mean, it's just something. It's a topic.
Yeah, I mean, looking at it on a small time frame, we holding lows from last week, and this is the first day of the week, and we already pushing bullish. So I could see if this is the other way around. If like today, Monday morning, we currently sitting at like 116.80, like it just sold off, then yeah, I would be like, okay, take your L, wait for another position. But right now, it's kind of hard to say that because we did push up, so we going in that bullish trajectory, especially with that big ass wick that came out at fucking 9:30, 8:30 when the market opened. So yeah, it's a lot to consider right now. I would definitely just hold it and wait. At least wait to see what kind of volume gonna come in after lunch, after they go to lunch in New York.
Right.
Because you got a lot of things happening. You know, London, they about to go home, so they wrapping it up. They ending their day. We about to go to lunch in New York. wrapping it up later. So it's a lot of volume gonna drop because there ain't a lot of players in the market no more. It's only us.
Not the retailers. That's why I say I don't even
Well, I
mind
mean, it's only
saying.
America in a sense. Like
Oh,
everybody else kind of shut down for as far as trading, and then the Asian session go pick it back up this evening. Start the cycle all over again. But we kind of end the cycle after 12 noon. Ain't really nobody to trade with. Trading with ourselves. Yeah, I think Walmart is decent. We got 11 minutes left on this 15-minute. We got 11 minutes left on the hour, and we still haven't pushed past no 50% level this previous run up we did when the market opened. So that's strong. Like if you pull your fibs out, let's pull that
That's one of
bitch.
my favorite 4 o'clock closes. My 4 o'clock, 4 hour, my bad, 4 hour candle closures. At 12 noon, that's one of the coldest. Like that should be letting you know something. I
Yeah,
don't care
really do.
what chart you're looking at.
Because it's going from
Um,
8 to 12 and then 12 to the close of the day. So it's like,
hmm
yeah. They're letting you know that last 4 hours can only do something. It's either continue or it's going to reverse. Like, or it
that's
could
a
just stay
fact.
stagnant.
That's one of my favorite sayings, man. The Walmart is. I said the Walmart. Yes,
Yeah,
the
boy,
market
we
is
was doing
doing
that yesterday,
yo,
dog. Nah, nigga was doing that the other day, boy. Nigga was using Walmart like a verb. Like the Walmart. Like, I'm about to Walmart to piss off this nigga. Like, yeah, boy, Walmart like a verb now.
Oh snap! That bitch is a
Nah,
pronoun. They said.
pronoun. Nah, real talk.
But
Walmart.
no, the market either does two things, bro. Something or nothing.
Yep. Yeah, never mind. Yeah,
And
never
that determines what you gonna do. If you doing something, that
mind.
market better be doing something. Speaking to your trading plan, go,
Right,
all that type of shit.
right, right.
Uh, which is subjective, but yeah, man, you got to be able to decipher. Okay, is it doing something to my liking, or it ain't doing nothing? If it ain't doing nothing, I ain't doing nothing. If it's doing something, I want in.
And based on the lows and the highs that Walmart printed so far in pre-market up into the market open this morning, 50% of that move is at 118.19. 61.8% of the fib is at 118.03. And we are approaching that right now. 180. I would like to see how it reacts around that price. 118 flat to 118.03. If you had to look at the smaller time frame, like the 5 minute, and see if we get any like crazy rejection from that, it shouldn't close under that. And psychologically, I'm just gonna say 118 flat. We shouldn't get at least a 4 hour close. The 1 hour, that's cool. But if the 1 hour close right there, I want that bitch like the next hour to eat all that up and just go right back up. Like all that selling it did, just reverse that bitch back up. That would be nice. Because all it's doing is just the people who bought when the market opened, when that bitch ran up, it just got all them niggas nervous. That's all it's doing right now. They got everybody thinking about closing their Walmart like, damn, while it's still rocking. Hold on.
man, my damn dog sick. This shit here pissing me off. She fucking
No,
cry every time she move. I don't even. I think she had ate this damn. We had put some poison behind that fucking stove. Fucking, I think she had ate one. Well, she had fucking ate this roach that had some poison in it. I think
Damn,
fucking her stomach up.
for real.
Oh,
What you gotta do? Like just keep her hydrated on some shit, huh?
Man, she just been resting. I mean, I got her some water and shit.
Right, right,
She
right.
just been resting mostly. She
Yeah.
ate though. That's good. That's a good sign. She ate.
Who be taking care of the dog when you leave? Like when you do ration week?
My cousin.
Okay, that's what's up. And she be listening to that boy like she listening to you?
Yeah, nah, she listens, bro. She a good dog for real.
Yeah, no, she is.
Like
Yeah.
she really just be chilling, bro. She don't be doing nothing.
Hmm.
Like she just won't go outside and play with a ball type shit.
That's a fire dog. It's so rare because
Like
it's small. Like it's not like your typical husky.
yeah, yeah.
You know what
Everybody
I'm
want
saying?
one.
Yeah, that bitch
Freaking
fire.
she I was about to say, oh yeah, I leave her outside, bro, in the front yard. She
Hmm.
would literally not leave and sit in the front yard like until I come and
Yeah,
get her.
yeah, cause she know.
Well, she know now. She done ran away a few times, like buku times, but now
But
like she
came back.
finally she get well. Shit, I had to go get her. I had to go get her.
Okay.
Finally, she not running. She's walking,
Right.
but she's moving. Come on, mom.
Come on, UJ. Continue to
Come on.
tank. Come on, AU. Continue to buy. That's the play. And stock market, you just do what you do. But I'm not even trying to just argue, play. Y'all just do what y'all do. And I'll try and stay on the bus as long as I can.
At this point, bro, I'm only looking at it because I'm jealous of y'all, but I'm still not even looking at it right now, bro. I'm not about to even hit that market today, bro. Like gold is gonna, like I told, gold already hit the max. It's gonna hit for the day, so that's why it's gonna do this to the end of the day, type shit. That bitch gonna consolidate. Walmart being an asshole. And my other play just gotta consolidate because it did so much already. That cancer healing one I told you about.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm in that play and another. I got two contracts in that as well.
I'm
But
trying to
shit,
build up
they
my
not
buy
doing
and
too good.
holds. That's what I need to do better at,
Exactly,
bro. I got so much on
exactly,
fucking
bro.
options is kind of like messing away, eating that. If I would have took majority of my profits and put that from Walmart, which, like I said, I don't like saying the what if and if I did this and because that shit done. You know what I'm saying? But just thinking now that I learned from that, man, I get a big hit. I'm taking that out and I'm putting that in something for sure. Like and not even too volatile, but let's just say silver. And then lo and behold, that would have ran it up even more. So it just sustains and builds your capital instead of like continuously putting that bitch out into like Six said, those wars where they get their ass whipped. Some niggas even get killed. And now when it's really time to go to war, you only got two or three solid niggas left. So you gotta be super strategic with your shit.
Nah, facts, bro. I'm definitely trying to get some buy and holds, but I'm also trying to really build up a lot of capital on options first, and then I'll have enough to start dumping into stocks. Cause stocks gonna fluctuate anyway. Like they gonna take their time. You got time to get in if you building up fast enough on options. But just gotta be patient with this stuff. Like I said, it's no what I shoulda, coulda, woulda did, but it's what I'm gonna do in the future. Based off of what I've learned.
It's like also, should you trade options on small ass companies like the little babies and the PLs and all these different companies and shit? Should we trade strictly options on them and take those profits because they moving 10-20% and take that and then go to buy and hold?
I would do options on good ass companies. Like, yeah, those smaller companies are considered gambles. That's like when a nigga like, hey man, let's go to the casino tonight, bro. It's been a minute.
Right,
To get that little rush.
right.
I I'll treat those stocks like that, but you still got Walmart. You still got fucking, you know what I'm saying? Stocks that's
Yeah,
like they've been
Microsoft
there,
and
but they
Apple and
under,
Amazon.
yeah, they under like a couple $100 to where like, yeah, it'll be a little piece of change, but it's not like breaking the bank type shit, for you to get in those plays. But uh yeah, but those smaller companies, yeah, man, you can still get in them and gamble them and same thing, yeah, take that money and put it into buy and hold. But I would do options with everything if it's looking good. Sooner or later, it's only a matter of time to where we'll be able to do option plays on Nvidia and Tesla and shit like that because we building up our account.
Right.
Um,
And based
like
on
this
what
boy.
AI said, options, when you look to buy options, you should only look to buy options that has a 50 to point 70 beta as far as for the for like the volume, I guess, or the potential growth in that direction. Like it kind of
Yeah,
shows the speed that it can grow to that price or go in that trend direction based on how high the beta is. We know about theta decay, but I think that and looking at the IV, the implied volatility, to determine if this is a good stock to get in. Like when I get in, is it gonna move in my favor or do I gotta wait? Because I think I probably only got a 2 week, 3 week, 1 month expiry, so I don't want to wait too long. Because the theta gonna start eating my shit. So they gonna want to be in and out, you know, in the form of a scout to a certain degree.
yeah, but yeah, and that's what he said. Yeah, that's when you can like just buy partials of it, and then not only that, like that boy Ian be saying, he was like, man, buy it every month. You
DCA,
know, huh?
I said dollar cost average.
Yes, yeah, every month buy the stock, put money into the stock market
Yeah.
every month. Then over time, don't matter what the fuck it do throughout the year. Best believe one of them, majority of them trades you got at a fire time,
Yeah.
and then
I
it's
mean,
buying
then
and
too, you
holding.
gotta think about it like that should be one of the main focuses. Because I mean, granted, I mean the options, yes, you could actually make more money. Yes, you can generate more money because you got leverage. But how many companies over the past 20 years that we know that was like powerhouses that went out of business? You probably can't name 10, let alone five. Like I'm talking about powerhouses that went out of business through COVID. It ain't really a lot. So it ain't like, you know, dollar cost averaging is a bad idea, even if the market is dropping. You just buying it cheaper.
Facts.
It's eventually gonna go up back up, if everything is in alignment.
Company doing good. They making money, because overall, besides what the company does, we already seen a nigga. You get good earnings call, you beat your earnings, all kind of positive surprises on the numbers, and the stock still dropped. All because they probably gave a certain type of guidance, like, yeah, we doing good, but we kind of think it ain't gonna be that good this year, so the stock dropped. You know, so it's like with that mind frame, DCA dollar cost average, no matter what, like you can always go buy a little bit at 80, buy a little bit at 110, buy a little bit at 130, but all collectively, probably got in at an average of 100 or some shit. You know? Yeah, nigga definitely gotta be putting something to the side every month on some buy and holds. I guess it would be like start to turn into a form of a hedge type shit
Yep.
against your,
You
because
can put it
that's,
in
I
the
ain't gonna
companies
lie,
or put it. I would
that's
put it
what
into ETF.
yeah, that's what my silver and my gold ETF got, because I
Yeah,
know,
that
let
was
me
smart.
see, what fucking ET is up 0.1%. Like I ain't getting nothing to that, but my total account is up 3% today.
Yeah.
You didn't want it to run like that? Oh, during at night? It's above right now? It's above right now? When it's above, you don't have to run it. No, I hear you. I didn't know it was above for you. Oh, yeah, it's 40 something. I got you. 32 is freezing, right? Hold up. Below 32. Oh, nice. Monday. So a nigga look like we probably going to work tomorrow.
Yeah. Gonna warm up.
Yeah. They had sent a message saying out talking about the school districts closed for Tuesday. They were saying, so if you got kids and you can't make it to work on Tuesday, let us know. So that's just a sign of be like, yeah, we going to work tomorrow. But fuck, tomorrow my Friday. So what the fuck, man? Gotta go for one day around this bitch. Oh, Friday, brother.
Man, how many days we got until whatchamacallit, bro? This shit about to be here before we know it.
Yeah. Man. Well, I think it's probably best for us to try to wrap it up. I don't think no volume is in the market no more. Walmart did a nice little dip. See some buyers took advantage of that 1700 price. But that bitch rejected. That bitch settled right at 61.8 to the T. Nigga. Fibonacci's.
Oh, big facts. Yeah,
Okay,
I have one closing on the 6th as well with Scoob. So I'm looking to do the same thing. I agree with him a lot. If he gets to 120, that would be a fire play, and I'm getting up out of there. So I'm really looking at that. If not by the end of this week, whatever I'm at, I may go ahead and ski that and add to my reserves.
I want to get that data.
Yeah, it's gonna start
Yeah,
coming. It's gonna start coming at me. So yeah, I'm looking at it. If it gets to, I'm gonna keep it G. If it gets to 119 and a half or something like that, I might ski up out of
I was
there.
about to say 119 flat is
Yeah,
good for this
yeah,
week.
I might
It did a
for
lot
sure
of
for this
selling.
week.
It did a
Yeah,
lot
if
of
it
selling
does it in this week
last
alone, then
week.
yeah. But so I got my eye on.
yeah, for sure next week. But I'm definitely looking for it to come to 120. I think 120 is that resistance, that for sure resistance. At the least, it has to, if it's on the uptrend, it has to come to 120. At the least to test that out one more time if it's still working the uptrend out. If not, well, we just, that's it. It is what it is. We're gonna see. I should see it. We should see that 120 play out for sure. Real close to it. You know what I'm saying?
UJ is chilling. Gold is fucking rocket ship.
On
I
I
mean, not
feel like it
silver.
should.
Silver is on the rocket ship. I mean, gold
Facts.
22%.
Silver is at 11.2%, bro.
Yes.
Crazy work, bro. That bit come back to 110. I might get in.
What's your price say for silver on your charts? What's your price say?
114.2.
Damn, I say 1.10.4. 0.5 now.
Not, it went there. That's not where it's at. Oh, man. It just closed on 5 minute with a doji.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which your 5 minute just closed like.
On silver.
Yeah.
And I got my chart set to New York time frame, so that might be a reason why. 5 minutes. The last one closed at a doji with a wick at the top. That's pretty much the same. Yeah. So yeah, man, we're probably gonna wrap this up. See the dollar. Kind of figuring itself out. I don't know what they're gonna do. But yeah, we'll be back. Shit, I don't know. I mean, I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably go to work tomorrow, but if not, maybe maybe tomorrow, but for sure Wednesday. See what the market's doing Wednesday midweek.
Big
Hop on the
facts.
live, you heard me. But yeah, man, we're gonna let
Pray
this up.
for us, y'all. Pray for us.
Yeah, pray for us. Hoping no more drawdown. No pray
This
for
is
no
crazy.
drawdown.
Yeah, because I mean, Walmart already doing it. That's why I wanted at 118.40. I was about to get out at that break even level on that second contract. Like, fuck it. I would have been break even around and now. I've been able to capitalize on a new contract at 17.50. Something like that.
Woo!
See, God bless you and the truth. You feel me?
Yep. But
Real
yeah,
shit.
we're gonna see what's happening. But yeah, keep each other updated in the chat if anything crazy happen and the prices. We'll be
The
back
one
on it.
crazy thing I'm looking at now is that we don't know. I think you just consolidating for right now, but we're gonna see. I'm still in it, but this shit
Yeah,
don't look great because of these green candles. But it hasn't broken structure yet
right.
as far
But
as
this
to the
baby has,
upside, so it's still
I'm
fine.
looking like a 1 hour of baby candle.
Mm-hmm.
Just consolidate like a motherfucker. Just waiting to break out. You'll be all right.
For sure.
You'll be all right.
All right, then, Dirty.
All right, man. I'm gonna
Y'all
holler
stay
at y'all,
blessed,
boy.
man.
You already know.
I
Peace,
already
peace.
know, man. Y'all be good, buddy.
Yep.
All
Peace.
right.